Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yo, thank you so much for being here, guys. Over 3,000 subs. I'll be telling you this every single day. I don't care. Yo, this is crazy. But listen, man, if you're new here, welcome back to the investment channel. My name is Erik, and I'm excited to bring you this video. Why? Because, I don't be posting stocks that every single YouTuber out there be talking about. So it's kind of cool when I see them kind of like going up. And this one, I'll be totally honest with you. Totally honest. If you watched the last video, I said that this wouldn't be like a long-term investment. It could be more kind of like a trade, like a short-term trade. Because, well, one, I see that, that stock was kind of beat down. I don't really want to call it like a penny stock because it's just a beat down stock. Come on, this company, they trying to help people, and that's how y'all do it. Damn. But let's go. Going back to it. So it's ReWalk Robotics. Okay, so what they do, they have like a skeleton that helps people walk and all that. Kind of like, guys, like any tech, with time it'll get better. But it ran up today like insane. I had 500 shares. I had sold it for a little bit of money just so I could get into CCIV, which paid out pretty good. And then I saw a pattern. You know that pattern? you know that pattern right there? So that's what I saw. I was like, yo, let me jump back in. So I jumped back in at 232 with 250 shares. Again, this is a spec play, less than 2% of my portfolio. And to be honest, guys, and I read a little bit more into the company and the market trends and all that. And now, not saying it's going to be a very long-term hold, but right now I'm actually curious to see where is it going to go. And it's less than 2% of my portfolio. I'm going to let it ride. Okay, I'm going to let it ride, all right? So this is what we're going to do. Actually, this is what I'm going to do. I don't know what you're going to do, but I'm going to let it ride. So listen up. It's crazy because it's a low-flow company. Market cap's pretty low. It's in a growing industry, which is insane. Tech will probably just get better. And also, somebody knows something. I don't know who, but someone knows something. If you know, let me know, please. Earnings is in about 2 weeks, and this thing is already moving. So I expect a pullback. And when we do get the pullback, I am probably going back in with another 250 shares. If the price is good. If not, then I'll make it an even 300 and I'm going to let it ride. Okay. So let's go into the charts real quick and then let's see what's going on because yeah, it's looking promising. This thing can I don't want to be again like every other YouTuber, this is going to skyrocket 10,000 plus bro, I don't know, but it's going to go up. This is what I feel like. It's going to keep going up. Let's go in. All right. So what do we have here? First of all, let's go to the 1 year mark, okay? So as we can see here, we consolidate. When I say I just bought the stock, I don't say we. I don't really know all the details of this company. I haven't really looked into everything. So it's just kind of like an instinct, to be honest. That I want to get into this company, kind of hold it. 'Cause I kind of like what they're doing, to be honest. Come on, trying to help people walk. Imagine if that skeleton gets so like slimmer, kind of like when they release a PS5, most likely they're gonna come out with a PS5 Slim. So imagine they get something like slimmer that has the same efficiency, and it's kind of like, yo, you could wear and nobody notices. Yo, imagine that. That's crazy. That's like some futuristic shit. Oh, my fault. I didn't mean to curse. My fault. So let's see. So boom, we broke all this. This is all broken. And has been trending up. Let's go in. Okay, so today we ran up 70 something percent to the high of $4.37, which is insane. I got in yesterday right there, 230, right there. Exactly. I was waiting for this little move right there. See this right there. I got at 332. Where is that at? Right there. So before this move right there. So guys, this is me. I could have bought it right here. Yes, I could have. But me, I don't care about buying at the lowest point. I want the stock to show me that it wants to go up. It gotta show me that. Show me that you really want to go up, and then I'm gonna trust you. Okay, but I don't try to. Oh, it's at the bottom. I'm gonna no. Give me the all the indicators and all that, and I did that on the Robinhood app. Okay, it doesn't have to be anything fancy like this one, to be honest. But that's what I did. So I got in. I'm glad I did, and now after like reading a few things on it, it's not gonna be just a be. It's gonna be a medium term swing trade. Okay, let's call it that way. So right now it's above the moving average. It did have that huge pull, but then it came right back to it, which is pretty. I like it. That's fine. It's at 360. Opened up at what 250 something or whatever that is. So it's looking good. It's looking good. We're not telling you to go and buy it, but look into it. Look into it. If you can take a small position, let's say that's really not gonna really affect your portfolio, I would say, man, that's a good risk that I would want to bet on, to be honest. Just don't go too crazy, because at the end of the day, yes, this is a penny stock and this and that, but don't go too crazy. And earnings are coming pretty soon, pretty soon. Where's that at, bruh? Let's go back real quick. Let's look at this. These are the earnings when they release the earnings. And one thing I can notice it, the earnings per share, okay, keep getting bigger and bigger. So 37 minus 37 minus 22, and then negative 18 cents. There's an earning right here. So it started moving right before the earnings, right? And then earnings, boom, went up. This one, earnings, didn't really do much, but right before the earning, and so it came down right here, and then earnings, boom, went up. And right now, it's moving even before the earnings, though. It's moving like crazy. So I feel like somebody out there knows something, or they're probably gonna report good numbers. Okay, don't trade, don't buy because I'm just saying so. But I'm interested to hold this through the earnings to see where it goes. To be honest, I don't know. It could take a dive. It could go back to twos, and I'm fine with that. It's less than 2% of my portfolio, so I'm okay to take that risk. And to be honest, if it crashed too quickly and I couldn't really like get out, even if I don't usually take a loss like that, I would probably just average down, to be honest. Because if I show you what I'm about to show you right now, yeah, guys, this is crazy. Let me stop it real quick. Okay. So this is what I found today. One of the things that I probably think that it helped the move. So patient monitoring and assistant robots market to register stunning growth. Players, whatever that company is, ReWalk is right here. Okay. So let's read this real quick. It's just a summary. If you want to go read this, it's gonna be I'm probably just gonna link it down below in the description box, because I don't want to go through everything. So growth of the patient monitoring and assistant robots market is due to the increasing consumers' awareness, high demand, and ongoing research and development. These are the major factors that has boosted the market growth at present and is expected to do so during an estimated period as well. There are other factors too that are further supporting the growth of this market. And one thing I also noticed down here, it had a market slowdown due to COVID-19 and everything. So, that's understandable. And if you want to go in and do more research on this company, please do so. I just have a really good feeling about it, to be honest. I'm not going to come here and tell you straight to your face that if it 10x's, I'm probably not going to sell. Probably I'm going to sell, not everything, because I do want to see where it goes. But if it 10x's like freaking next week, I'm going to have to take some profits. And I'm going to be 100% clear with you. Because when it's going to be a long-term play, I'll tell you right away. Okay? I'd rather a steady increase than a quick 10x, okay? For my long-term plays. So for this one, not really knowing the company as well, I haven't putting the time that I should into this company to tell you straight up to your face, oh, I'm going to be holding this thing for long term, okay? One thing I know, this stock is a beat down stock, okay? Okay, so let's go max. So look at this. Look at this, bro. This is a beat down stock. So basically, from the beginning of 2018, I mean not beginning, but the end of beginning of 2019 up until now, this stock has been dead. Haven't done anything. So stocks like these, like they're very risky. So you gotta be careful with them. But also, stock like these could run up 1,000%, 2,000%, 3,000%. Okay. Not saying that it will. So again, please don't buy just because I'm saying so. I am not a financial advisor. Um, but yeah, I'm willing to take the risk on this. It's again less than 2% of my portfolio. If you want to play this, go ahead and don't do a lot of money. Please don't, cause I don't want anybody out here in the comment section crying because they lost money.
None of my business.
All right, but guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm probably gonna record another Foresight video tonight and upload it. I guess maybe not. We'll see. But guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe, comment, and make sure you like this video. Let's bring this video to a new audience. Okay. Oh, and I'm right now I'm sitting around $275 at revenue within my first week. It's crazy, and 10% is gonna go to you guys. But that's just me telling you guys thank you for watching my videos and supporting me. That's pretty much it. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.